Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. It's been a while. I missed you guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. And yeah, this is a new video. Today we are going to be doing a quick beat, a quick, flawless, nice skin summer beat. I mean, it's still technically summer. I know that you guys are going to be starting school very soon, but this would be great for an everyday makeup look. So I wanted to give you guys some things, some options. Today, this video is sponsored by Laura Mercier. So thank you guys for sponsoring this video. I'm so happy and honored to be working with you guys, so thank you so much. And yeah, let's just go ahead and not talk too much, just get right into it. I want to give you guys all these deets on the products that I use on my face today. So yeah, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. So I'm going to start off with just adding a little bit of moisturizer to my skin. This has like citrus extract in it. I find that using this moisturizer with this particular tinted moisturizer really helps. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of this vitamin nectar from Fresh and add a little bit of this hydrating primer from Laura Mercier. Lightly disperse them in the areas that I experience, like large pores and a little bit of dryness. So first I'm just going to spot treat, and I'm just going to cover some of the places where I have hyperpigmentation. I'm using the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer from Laura Mercier. A situation going on, and I'm just gonna kind of blend it out with my finger a bit. Then I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer Natural Skin Perfector. It has SPF 30 in it, which is amazing, and it also has some new ingredients into this particular tinted moisturizer. Today I'm going to be using the shade 20 in 4W1, and I'm just going to take that on my fingers. They say that the best application is with the fingertips, and I think it's also just because like the product really just kind of like melts into your skin with your hands. Now I did get a tan, so this is a little bit lighter than my actual skin, but probably doesn't look too bad on camera, but right now in person it looks a little bit lighter than my actual skin tone. This is really just like, the skin is supposed to be seen through, like it's supposed to just be really natural, but give you a little bit of a light coverage and also give you some protection from the sun. So if you're not one of those girls that like to go full beat during the summer, this is definitely something for you. But if you do have a little bit of like, you know, some spots that you don't want to be seen, you can also just, you know, obviously you can, you know, add a little bit of concealer over those spots and areas that you have like some imperfections and things like that. I'm just going to take it down here too. And just give me like a nice, like flawless looking situation we got going on here. Then I'm going to take the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer. And I forgot to mention earlier, but it's in the shade 2W. And this has a warm undertone, so I'm just going to take this under my eyes just to brighten it up a little bit. I got a tan, so not everything looks like so much lighter on my skin than it would normally. We're going to really buff that in. Hopefully it doesn't look too casty white. Actually, you know what I should have done was the 3W. I just realized I should have done, so I'm going to use a little bit of the 3W. I just realized that that was definitely not the color that I'm supposed to use. Just to tone that down a bit, because, girl, what was I thinking? That was way too light for my under eyes. So we still want to be natural as possible, but also look awake. So I'm going to add a little bit more of the Flawless Fusion Ultra Concealer, but I'm going to use this as a contour today, and I'm just going to take that right along here. And a little bit on my forehead. Oops, I didn't mean to do it that far down, but this is gonna just warm me up a bit. Give me a little bit more natural-esque type of contour going on here. Kind of looks like I got a tan, like a natural tan. So I'm going to take the Laura Mercier OG setting powder, and I'm just going to apply that right under my eyes a little bit, just to set under there, and then probably like a little bit right here in my crease of right from my nose down here, kind of like get a little creasy right there. And I'm just going to go right under my eye. When you put the setting powder, kind of like even hides some of the hyperpigmentation that I have, so I like that a lot. We're using a little bit of this liquid blush cream blush, I should say. Not liquid blush, but cream blush. I'm just going to take that onto the back of my fingers here. Or not back of my fingers, but the back of my hand. Buff that in really nicely. All right, so now I've done my brows, and now I'm going to move on to my lips. Right now, I'm just going to do like a little cute kind of like neutral lip. Now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier lip liner in Hazelnut, and I'm just going to lighten my lips. This is the long-lasting lip pencils. This is almost like the same color as my skin tone on my lips, so I like that. And the formula of these lip liners are so good. Like, oh my gosh. They just glide right on. I kind of just want to give like that really nice neutral lip, not too like actually like crazy outlined. And honestly, I think that's all I want to use today is just a lip liner. And you can either pair this with a lip gloss or you can just leave it like this. And I think I'm just gonna leave it like this because I really love the color of this lip liner and it just looks so like my lip tone anyway. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. And then I'm just going to curl my lashes and take a mascara. Mascara always ruins my eyes. Always. Because one, my eyes are already so small, but like my lashes are kind of puny too, so it's just always like too much mascara on my lids. So this is the finished look. We just got some nice, very dewy skin and very natural, not too much. You can still see skin, it still looks very natural to me. I love this tinted moisturizer because not only does it have SPF in it, but it also just gives you that nice like glowy skin that everybody wants. They want to look like, they just like woke up and I'm like, bam, I'm cute. Hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to check down the links in the description bar below for all the information on the products that I used today, but also the tinted moisturizer from Laura Mercier. Get your hands on it if you can. They're sold in Sephora. Anywhere that Laura Mercier is available, get your hands on it, okay? Get your hands on it because this is really, really cool, especially because it's still essentially summer. Like, summer doesn't really end until September in some places. Here, I'm pretty sure it's still going to be pretty sunny for the remainder of August and September, so I'm definitely want to be using something that's like not too full coverage. I mean, I still love my full coverage, but this is still great for like everyday use, your everyday makeup. So be sure to give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one.